Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this VW Golf. It seems slightly complicated to delete it because I've only been able to find the screen when I've actually got a phone connected. But anyway, so my phone's connected now and I'm going to try and delete it and show you how to repair it. So from any display on the information panel, just click that until you come to phone. It's showing my iPhone there. So I'll click on OK there. Then you've got the menu, phone book, dial number, call register, voicemail box, Bluetooth and settings. So we go back to Bluetooth, click OK. Then it's got user, new user, visibility, media player, phone name, back. What I want is user. Click user, OK, it shows me the phones that are paired. And if I go to mine, Barry's iPhone there, and click on it, you've then got connect, disconnect, rename, or delete. So I want to delete it. Delete, goes to OK, click OK. That's it gone. So my phone's deleted. I'll now be able to show you how to pair it again.